How's it going?
Hi, who's this?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've seen your ad on Craigslist.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and I had a quick question for you.
Okay.
Yeah, Julian, I was just wondering, are you guys interested in generating some junk hauling leads for your business? Hey, Brandon.
Yeah.
Hey, I seen this ad on Craigslist, and I had a quick question for you.
Shoot.
Yeah, I was wondering, are you guys interested in generating some junk hauling leads for your business?
We're not. Thank you, though.
Yeah, Brandon, before you miss out, are you guys only using Craigslist to get the word out, or do you do other stuff?
Nah, we've been in business in 10 years, man. We do quite a bit of business. We're good. Thank you.
Okay, well, Brandon, before you miss out, I've been doing social media for about 7 years. I'm very good at it. And I just wanted to shoot you over some information so you could take a look at what we do and how we can take your business to the next level this year. And so, if you mind if I shoot you a quick email and you can take a look at what we're doing?
You can send me an email. Shoot me
Okay,
a
cool.
text, and I'll text you my email.
Okay, cool. What is this the best number? This 808?
Yep.
Okay, 808, perfect. And you still cover only Stockton?
The whole Central Valley.
The Central Valley. Perfect. We're going to do very good. Okay, Brandon, I'm going to go ahead and shoot you a quick email.
All right, thanks.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so that went great. Now, most of you guys would have hung up the phone. He stayed on the phone. I know he was kind of giving me some, just blowing smoke pretty much. But the good thing about that, ladies and gentlemen, is I stood on the phone. I knew that he was kind of interested because he didn't hang up. I was waiting for him to hang up, but you got to have those rebuttals. If you got those rebuttals, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be able to allow you to kind of get back into position to get them some information, because that's all we're trying to do. We're not trying to sit on the phone and sell these individuals. We just want to get them information. Plain and simple, okay? I just wanted to do a couple cold calls for you guys to get you motivated for 2021. This is the year of wealth. You guys can crush it in your SMMA agencies. You guys can easily get to $10,000 a month, but you gotta pick this phone up. If you guys want to make money, pick the phone up. Grab the course, click the link in the descriptions so you can get the script, you can get the rebuttals, and you guys can know what to say when you're talking to prospects. A lot of you guys are having problems with cold calling is because you don't have the blueprint. You gotta have the blueprint. Now, if you can't afford the ICP, which most of you guys should, watch all my videos, okay? Go through and apply what you see me doing on my videos, okay? But nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, you have to take some type of action. If you don't take action, folks, you're not going to be able to be successful, okay? Now, just think about this. This individual I know has about 6 trucks. I just looked at their company information. The beautiful thing about this, ladies and gentlemen, is this. If I land this client, it's going to easily be anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month client, okay? This is a very lucrative niche. Now, let me just flip this thing around. Now, what if I would have been chilling and I said, you know what, I'm just going to chill on Facebook. I'm just going to watch some Netflix, play the PlayStation 5, the new Xbox, all the stuff that people do that are broke, okay? What if I would have did that and said, hey, I'm not going to pick up the phone? Then I wouldn't have had a conversation with Brandon. The reason why you guys are struggling to have a mega bank account, okay, is you're lazy and you're not doing the thing and you don't want to invest in yourself. So what am I telling you in 2021? If you want this to be a super fantastic year, you got to change and you got to make calls and you got to get off your you know what and make it happen and get good at cold calling. You got fears and anxiety. That stuff goes away. All of us have a little bit of a fear when we first make calls. But as we get into that thing, it's nothing, ladies and gentlemen. Fear disappears. Anxiety disappears. You become a pro. If you guys want to go from newbie to pro, make 500 calls. If you make 500 calls, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to be on this thing. So I hope you guys got tremendous value from this video. If you have, comment below. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about this. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. I put out fire like this for you guys on a regular. Okay, so you want to tune in every time I put videos out like this. This is the year where we're going to take over. We're going for 50K a month and SMMA, and then I'm going to give it over to you guys and just let you guys do whatever you want to do. I'm going to be done with it, okay? Plain and simple. If you guys haven't got the ICP course, you got to grab that course right now. People are getting phenomenal results. And it shows you how to go from $0 to $15,000 a month. You know, literally, I break it down into 7 days so you guys can get in there, implement it, and start making money. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.